Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can send money to somebody using Cash App without having a debit card. So if you guys do not have a debit card, the only way to send money to somebody using your Cash App is if you guys have a bank account. Alright, you need to link your bank account or debit card on Cash App. So these are the two options. To link your credit card, you have to link your debit card, then only you can link your credit card. I don't know why. So if you have a credit card only, then it's not gonna work. You need these two, either debit card, either a bank account. But since you clicked in this video, I basically think you don't have a debit card, you only have a bank account. So if you have a bank account, follow the steps which I'm going to be showing you. But before that, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe to my channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And let's jump right into the video, shall we? So first, you want to open Cash App. This is going to be your interface. Once you open Cash App, you want to click on this button over here, which looks like a small house, but it might show you some amount of money on your Cash App. If you have an amount of money stored in your, Cash App, since I have $0, it's showing me this house icon. But if you have some money stored in it, it's going to show you the amount of money stored in your Cash App. Just click on it, and then you want to click on where it says link bank. It might say linked account on your phone if you have already linked something, but if you guys haven't linked anything, just like me, so it's going to say link bank. So linked account and link bank are the same stuff. Once you come over here, since you don't have a debit card, you want to click on where it says no card. Once you click on no card, it's going to take you over here. Once you're over here, you want to click on where it says continue. It's the terms and service of like Cash App. You want to read it and click on continue. And you want to choose which bank you want to link. So choose your bank. If it is not here, you can always search for it. So let me go for Chase for an example. So let's say Chase is my bank. I click on it. I enter my user ID, my passport, click on submit. And if my user ID and passport is correct, it's going to get linked with my Cash App account. And once it's linked with my Cash App account, I can transfer the money from my bank into my Cash App account and then send it to whoever I want. So that's basically how it works. Since your debit card is not linked, you need to have a bank account from where you can transfer your money into Cash App to send it to somebody. So that's basically how it guys can do it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification turned on to our channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. And yeah, if you guys already have a certain amount of money stored in our Cash App, then you guys do not need to, link your bank account as well. But to store money on your Cash App, you need to link something first, So I hope you guys understood what I was trying to say. So yeah, follow the steps which I showed you to fix your problem. Bye bye until next time.